In this section, we will be reviewing Section 3.4, Special Cases of Solving Linear Equations. Why don't you go ahead and try this problem? I'll pause temporarily. You could also pause your screen. First thing I'm going to do is combine like terms, always circling with the sign in front. I like that line down the middle also to help keep myself organized. I see some like terms on the left-hand side as well, so it looks like we're going to have to do double duty. 3 minus 1 is 2, so I can write 2 plus 5x, or 5x plus 2, means the same thing. Negative 4x plus 9x is 5x. We still have that plus 2 hanging out, so he's going to come down. So again, 2 plus 5x, or 5x plus 2, mean the same thing by the commutative property. That gives us a clue of what's about to happen. Using inverses, I want to get rid of the 5x, so I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. Notice that it gets rid of it here, but also here, and so I know it's going to be a special case. I need to figure out if it's going to be an identity or no solution. And to do that, I should look to see if the answer is going to be true or false. This is true, but if I use the inverse to go one step further, this is also true. If an equation is an identity, it's going to be true no matter how many times you do valid manipulations to both sides. Because it's a true statement, I know that the answer I'm going to put on my answer line is the all real numbers symbol. And to check, I need to make sure that if I check more than one number, it will still work. 3 plus 5x minus 1 equals negative 4x plus 2 plus 9x. Notice that I left a space for the x's. Now, all real numbers should work, so I can check all numbers. I'm going to pick x equals 0. 3 plus 0 minus 1 is 2. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. And because 2 equals 2, I know that it checks out. Now let's try picking x equals 1. Because this is just like picking a solution in the last section, where you had one number and you plugged it in and it works. What makes it different is that all real numbers should work. So if I pick another number, that should also give me a true statement. This time I'm going to pick x equals 1. 3 plus 5 minus 1. Negative 4 plus 2 plus 9. And voila, it checks out. And because more than one numbers work, I'm pretty sure that I'm right. Important vocabulary in this section. A solution. Remember, a solution is your answer, and our answer to the question is what's in this box. You would not want to say true. True just tells us what answer you're going to give on the answer line. You also need to know what an identity is. Remember, an identity is a statement that is always true. So if you have an identity, remember your answer is going to be the all real number symbol. And remember, if you have a no solution case, your final step is going to show you false. And so your answer on the answer line is going to be no solution. We commonly use that symbol. Good luck on your quiz and your test.